does your ride sound like? It sounds like leather and chain. It sounds like the slam of a bag lid. It sounds like the snap of a button. The click of the ignition. Its kickstands up. The sound of first gear. The rumble of the engine. The asphalt under the wheels. The soundtrack of your journey. The adrenaline of a wide open throttle. Cars, wind, tunnels whipping past. But there's a new sound. The sound of a shared experience. It's the sound of iconic performance. It's the sound of the pack. It's the sound of connection. On the new PMX-HD14 from Rockford Fosgate.